Introducing time-varying covariates in the interval-censored Cox model. In Stata 17, we introduced the stintcox command for fitting semi-parametric Cox proportional hazards models to single-record interval-censored data. Now, in Stata 18, we've added support for multiple record data and for time-varying covariates. With multiple record data, we specify the ID variable, time variable, and event status variable, and select the independent variables, including any that are time-varying in the dataset, and use the new options TBC and TEXP to interact any variables with a function of time to represent time-varying covariates, or to test the proportional hazard assumption of the time-invariant covariates. After fitting a Cox model with time-varying covariates, predictions and plots that reflect the time-varying nature are also supported. Learn more at stata.com.